Man, where do I even start? Where do I even start? It's a bad day at the office. Sipho Mbule signs for Orlando Pirates. Ime Ocon snaps Kaizer Chiefs. Man, these are terrible news. So let's start with Sipho Mbule, who has been announced by Orlando Pirates after being heavily linked with Kaizer Chiefs, after he was offered to Kaizer Chiefs on a silver platter. And you know what Kaizer Chiefs did? They took their own time. They thought, now we have this under control. We are still assessing our options. And Orlando Pirates acted swiftly and signed him. Now we are looking like fucking clowns. Facebook FC. And I'm now hearing men say, good decision by Kaizer Chiefs. We don't need Mbule. Shut up. Sipho Mbule is better than all our current midfielders. He walks straight into the starting 11. Sipho Mbule, if he was good enough, he was not going to be released at Mamelodi Sundowns. Mate, the only reason, we all know the reason why Sipho Mbule was released at Mamelodi Sundowns, and it's not because of his on-field issues. We all know that. So if you think Sipho Mbule is not good enough, you are a fucking trash. We needed Sipho Mbule. Orlando Pirates finished second last season. 3 consecutive seasons. Semi-finals of the CAF Champions League. They have a better midfield than us. They have a better team than us. But they took the risk and signed Sipho Mbule. But us, with an average squad, average midfielders, we think we are good enough. We think now we don't need Sipho Mbule. Man, that's fucking idiotic. I know. I said if Kaizer Chiefs decides against signing Sipho Mbule, I'm going to back them. I will understand where they're coming from. Unfortunately, I have to withdraw that stupid statement. We should have signed Sipho Mbule. The management should have gotten this deal done as soon as possible. Made this Sipho Mbule was offered to Kaizer Chiefs over 2 weeks back. What was the whole fucking delay? They didn't even get back to Mike Makab. They said now they are still assessing their options. Now we look like fucking clowns. Now Orlando Pirates are rubbing it on our faces. Rightfully so. We had it on our hands. Mate, the plan was simple. Sign Sipho Mbule on a 1-year deal, plus an option to extend. And sign midfielders who are ready. Sign midfielders who are good enough. So if it happens during the season, there are some off-field issues with Sipho Mbule, you have players who are good enough to take his place. And you can release him at the end of the season without having to pay termination fees and stuff. And if it works out, you exercise that 1-year option and negotiate a long-term deal. But nah, we have marked. Now I'm hearing that Ime Ocon is not going to sign for any club in SA. He's going to move to Europe. Mate, Kickoff said Kaizer Chiefs have reached an agreement with Ime Ocon. Now this, Mazola Mlife yesterday on Soccer Zone, he said Ime Ocon is not going to sign for any club in the country. And Itiski Chimes are saying Supersport United, Ime Ocon is on the verge of joining an unnamed German side on a free transfer. Ocon has been heavily linked with a move to Kaizer Chiefs in the past few weeks, with a 21-year-old centre-back having been impressive since making his debut for Matsatsansa in 2023. This publication has it in good authority that an unnamed German side is on the verge of agreeing personal terms with Emma Ocon and will sign him on a free transfer. I wanna throw up. Oh, you know, these fucking media outlets are also making us look like fucking clowns. Why will Kickoff release such report without having all the facts? Mate, they said this is a done deal. Now we are looking like fucking clowns. Oh my god. So we've missed out on Emma Ocon. We've missed out on Sipho Mbule. It's a terrible day. It's a terrible day, mate. Two great players, heavily linked with Kaizer Chiefs. Emma Ocon was a done deal according to that stupid publication. Sipho Mbule was on our hands and we bottled him. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.